I'm going to show you how to find your activity history on Facebook. So when we think about activity history, there's obviously many things to look at. But what we can do is go to Facebook. You want to go to the three bars at the top left-hand corner here, and you just want to navigate to your settings. So under settings and privacy, go ahead and click settings. And from here, you want to scroll down until you find your activity and under activity log. So go ahead and click activity log. So this is going to show you a lot of stuff here that's within Facebook. Go ahead and stay to the top where it says your Facebook activity and go ahead and hit that arrow drop down. And then what we can do here is let's, for example, go to posts. And as you see, there is another drop down bar here. So let's go ahead and hit that. And then go ahead and hit see more. So from here, you could see your activity for your posts, your photos, your videos you've watched, other people's videos, all kinds of stuff that you want to go through. And let's go ahead and see videos you've watched. And then this is going to give you some ideas of videos that you have currently watched on your Facebook app. If we were to back out of here and you could just go through and see your posts, videos, and photos, things like that, once this loads up, and you'll really be able to tailor what you want to see, what you want to go through, and then see what those things are. So it's really intuitive. You can actually go through and manage those posts. You can go to your saved items and collections and things like that. So let's go through our groups. We can go through our groups. We can go through our reels that you've saved, things you've watched. So it's real easy to go through and filter through and see all of your activity on Facebook. But that's it. It's super simple and super easy to navigate through this area and then go through and see what your history is.